What is up, guys? Ollie here, and today we are doing an app review. So I haven't done one of these in a while. So yeah, we're going to pretty much do an app review. And if you don't know what I do this, I have a range of apps that I use on a day-to-day basis, and I reviewed the ones that I think are the best ones, and the ones that I use most often. So this one is the app Teamviewer. So let's just zoom out a bit so I can get the camera phone in the frame. So yeah, this app is called Teamviewer, and basically what it allows you to do is control your computer. So let's just open it up. So where's Teamviewer? There we go. So once Teamviewer is open, just go back out of that. Let's get rid of this so we got a clean start. So basically, when you open up Teamviewer, let's just put it into the frame and zoom in. So when you open up Teamviewer, as you can see, you have the Teamviewer icon logo up here. Control your computer the easy way is their slogan. You then have the little text here that says, please enter your partner's ID in order to control the remote computer. So it's asking you to type in your password there, which I'll get to in a minute because I haven't set it up on my computer yet. And then you just click on this here, and it'll remote control. Down here at the bottom, I'll just move the phone there. So down here at the bottom you can connect here by this button. So if you just tap that, or you can change, so if you want to sign up or sign in on your account, let's just zoom out so you can see that. If you want to sign up or sign in on your account, then you can. But I'm going to go into connect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sign up, or just going to log in on my computer. So yeah, I've just removed my mouse mat as well because I was getting pretty annoyed with it, and it works pretty fine as well, to be honest. Just thought I'd just put that out there. So okay, so we've now set it up on a computer, and now we go, there we go. Let me just move this a minute. Okay, so we're just signed in now, and basically this is what happens. So when you first sign in, you get a list of instructions to happen, what to do. So the instructions here, so we'll just read those out. The following gestures can be used to control the remote mouse pointer. So basically it means you can control your computer via the certain sort of gestures. So drag with one finger to move the mouse pointer, pretty simple really. And perform single finger taps for clicks, and for right clicks you use two finger taps, which I'll show you in a minute. Zoom with the pinch to zoom gesture, that's if you have a capacitive touchscreen, which is just so happens I have a new phone. So here we have both phones, so let's just zoom out. So I have a new phone, so yep, so put that to one side. But it does say, ooh, let's just zoom in again. It also says scroll with both fingers up and down, so basically if you're in a browser or something, you can use both fingers to scroll. So down at the bottom again, wait for that to focus. So it says show help on startup. If you don't want to keep seeing this every time, you untick it. So I'm going to untick it because this is just a tutorial really. And you press close. Now as you can see, let's rotate it on its side and then zoom out a minute. So as you can see, you have the full desktop. So I'm just going to zoom out. Oh, let's zoom in. So there we go, we have the full desktop sort of thing. And we have all the icons around here. This is what's exactly on my desktop. And let's zoom in, so let's bring it over there. So it's really easy to use, and you know, there's to show you that it's controlled by it. And I'll show you that I can control a computer. I'll open up Internet Explorer. So let's just zoom out. So we go, we're on Google right now, so Twitter, and then we'll open up that. Wait for that to load. So we have the full QWERTY keyboard, it's pretty much standard. So now we just get rid of the keyboard, and there we go. Zoom out a little bit. So we then have like the full sort of what's happening and that sort of thing. Okay, so we'll just get back out of that, so we'll just X that off. So it's a bit laggy, but you can get what you expect really from, you know, it's a cloud-based sort of software. So along the bottom here we have this X here. Just got an email, sorry. Got this X which can close the connection if you want to, so I'm just going to click cancel for the purpose of this video. And then we have the full QWERTY keyboard enabled if you want it, and you can do that in landscape and portrait. If that's to zoom there, that little, like, it's like a magnifying glass, I would say. So let's just get that off, that's annoying. Okay, then we have the options button, so you can control, delete, reboot remote computer, so the computer that I'm using, can be rebooted. So why isn't it focusing? Or block user input. So if you don't want me to, if we don't want the person to control it while you're controlling the computer, you can. We'll go out of that and we'll go to this mouse button here. This right clicks on the computer. As you can see, it's right clicked right here. There you go. So you can pretty much see that it's right clicked. Needs to focus. Let's just focus that in. Should focus. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, and then along the top here we have this, which hides this top toggle bit here. We have the Shift, Control, Alt, and the Windows key, and then we have more features there. So if we want to use them, so it's a really simple app. Let's just close the connection and get out of here and put it back into portrait. So yeah, it's a really easy app to use, and it's completely free on iOS and Android, and I think you can get it on Windows Phone 7, but I'm not 100% sure. It's also free on the PC version, so it's completely free, as it's completely free to use. So it's really handy if you me and you upload videos from home, and then say me, I go to school and I can check on my computer, see how it's doing and that sort of thing. So see if the upload's failed, and if it has, I can re-upload it again. So it's really easy to use, and like I said, this tutorial should help you use it. Overall, I'd give it 5 stars out of 5 because it's really easy to use. It's also free, so you got that option that you don't have to pay, and it's really simple, and you know, everyone can use it. It's not exactly hard, and if you have capacitive touchscreen, you can get the most out of it, as well as you can control it on other PCs as well. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button above, or click this annotation and it'll take you right to the subscribe page. Also, like this video if you haven't already, and put a comment in the section below if you have any more questions about this this app, or request an app yourself. Just do it in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. So I'll see you again soon.